You ready for this? If they tell you to punch for self-defense, here's 3 things you really want to know. Number 3 is the worst. Number 1, punches miss. Even the best strikers in the best of conditions are only about 40% accurate. Now on the street with uncertain ground, with all the other chaos that comes with an attack, it is a horrible choice. Reason number 2, they are weak. I know, I'm sure you've seen videos showing one-punch knockouts. It looks great when it works. The truth is the vast majority of punches only make the attacker more angry. They come back harder. Punches don't end fights. They make fights worse. Plus, as an added bonus, you get to go to the hospital to get a cast on your hand, your broken hand, and you probably cut yourself on the attacker's tooth, which means you're infected, which means you need some antibiotics. And reason number 3, the worst, most people who defend themselves with strikes are then charged for being too aggressive. What? Nobody likes to talk about that. Strikes look bad on video, and everybody has video these days. Did your punch leave a mark? That's evidence. And even if you were charged but then found not guilty, that is time and frustration and legal cost and emotional damage that good people like you and me, we just don't need that. Should you defend yourself? Absolutely. Are you worth defending? Absolutely. Are there better ways than punching? Absolutely.